It is impossible to catch the glory of a memory, to forget, to forgive, to love. Protecting myself from nightfall. When I woke up from the dark, I feel as if I am being struggled. After losing your better half, you feel you will never move forward. But I had to. There is life after losing your loved one. My children need me now more than ever. Every day, like baby step, I could see that I feel happy again. I would smile again. I know from my experience, being carrier, sometimes you feel very alone, and sometimes you feel nobody understands you. So because of this, what we want to do with Credu, I want to listen your story, and I focus what you struggle most. Using your words and your feeling, we make another story together. And every story starts with a poem, and then what you want to tell. And I hope people just really enjoy, and I think it could be very helpful. This time we just see their heart and how they struggle, but again, when they struggle, how they so strong. Being a carer is a woeful path which you have to walk alone. But if you are lucky, you can open up to limited number of people. Connection is as important for us as water or air. I learned to see how good memories can help a lot with my sad days. I learned how the family connection is so important and how it helps us. I was hearing my own heartbeat. My eyes disappear into the dark when I step into shoes of a mother with a chronically ill child. Why we are doing this? Because when we collect a lot of stories, then it's became a book, and I hope it's helped a lot of people. I believe career needs a megaphone, and I am here to be your megaphone. If you want to share your story with us, please connect Credu or me. I'm a woman kicked out of heaven. I'm a writer, tried for treason, face on life in prison. I am an exile, defined as other. I'm an autistic, try to become normal, but always invisible. My name is Meltem.